Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing one of the cutest sea creatures there is. Inky, have any guesses for what it is?
A sea spider?
No, sea spiders are terrifying. Today we're going to be drawing an otter.
Oh, so the second cutest sea creature.
Anyway, should we get started?
We otter.
Let's go! In order to draw your otter, the first thing that you want to do is do a big fluffy circle.
Why did the otter cross the road?
Why?
To get to the otter side.
Leave room at the bottom. This is going to be your otter's head. The next thing that you're going to do is draw an oval here and here for its eyes. Then you're going to do a line here and a line here and a circle here. Then you're going to draw a nose like this, a line here and here, and a big smiling mouth, just like that. Then, for its ears, you're gonna do a little shape like that, and do a line here, and a line here. Then, you're going to do a bunch of dots here.
What kind of cars do otters drive?
I don't know, what kind?
Automobiles.
And then a bunch of whiskers.
Otters have long whiskers that help them detect the movements of prey.
The next thing that you're going to do is draw another fuzzy circle like this. And a line here.
Fun fact, otters have the thickest fur of any mammal in the animal kingdom.
And then you're going to start on its body. You're going to do a long tail like that. And continue like that up here. Then you're going to start on its arms by doing a line like this. 2 lines here, and a line like this. You can make your otter holding anything, but I'm gonna make mine holding a shell.
Otters can use tools. They use things like rocks to crack open their food.
Then you're gonna draw its feet. You're gonna do 2 lines like that, and some lines inside of that like this. And that's how you draw an otter. I'm gonna color mine in time lapse. And now, you've finished your otter. I think sea otters are super adorable. What do you think about it, Inky?
I think they're otter this world.
Well, thanks for suggesting this, Libby. If anybody else has any suggestions, then you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thanks for drawing with us. Have an utterly amazing day.
Bye-bye. And keep on drawing. Sea spiders.